Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're on this video, this is how I do my everyday makeup. If you would like to learn how I do that or what I do, please continue watching. I really appreciate you for watching. If you could do me a favor and like this video, comment if you want to, subscribe. Just click that little subscribe button down below, and welcome to my family.
I'ma tell you how a bitch did it. Bring it way back, I'ma start from the beginning when I'm finished. Smoke it out and get back to them digits. Man, I swear these niggas act like bitches, yeah.
So this is going to be my everyday routine of how I do my makeup. So we're just going to get started, and the first thing I do when I do... Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So the next thing I do is I take this, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I just use this and I blend out and then I go in for my primer. I'm just using this primer. I'm trying this one out. I've been trying it out. They don't want to focus. Maybe a little back right here. I don't know. But it's the hard candy. I got it in the I got this in the gift stocking stuffer aisle, and it was only $1. And the big bottle of it is like $8, so. Okay, so after I do that, I, rub my face in, and then I go in, I use this one, BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. This is what it look like. And take a lucky guess, what color do I use on my brows? This one. So I use these two together, and I use this brush, an angled brush, and yeah, look in my mirror. I just do. I do my brows kind of messy because I go in with concealer and fix it. Okay, so y'all, after that, I take this flat brush, this flat angled, like this flat brush, and I do my eyebrows. And I use, this is Maybelline Fit Me, and I use this for my eyebrows. Okay, so I take this Maybelline Fit Me in medium Moyan, I don't know how to pronounce it. I do my eyebrows, okay? So I start at the beginning. Most people don't like that, but I do. And that's how my brow looks. I'm gonna do the other one off camera. So yeah. Be back, guys. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So the next thing I do is I take this, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I just use this and I blend out the concealer under my eyebrows. So I just do like this, blend it out. Okay, so this is how it should look, y'all. Your eyebrows. Very natural and easy, quick and easy. Literally did my eyebrows in 5 minutes. Maybe 2, I don't know. After that, I take this Ruby Kisses Matte Finish Powder Foundation in the color Caramel. I'm really the color Toffee, but Caramel, it works too. Like my skin, it works. So I take some of these on a fluffy brush and I just put it on my face. Y'all see how it like kind of takes them away? Like y'all see this side and you see this side. To the foundation, and I use Fit Me. So all of my products are affordable. I used to use high-end, but I'm more like, this works just as good. But yeah, this is the matte poreless finish Fit Me, and this color is Caramel Toffee. So I take this brush right here and I dip it inside. Then I brush it on my face like this. And then after that, I go in with my e.l.f. brush, the ultimate blending brush from e.l.f. And I blend my face. Circular motion. Ladies and gentlemen, circular motions is your best friend. Sure, like everything is good. You can go in with your beauty blender and just. So y'all, I don't use concealer like under my eyes. No, I use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in amber beige as concealer under my eyes. Well, like as a highlight, I guess. So I actually let this sit for about like a second. Okay, now that I let it sit for a second, I go in with my beauty blender and I just blend it in. Then I go in with my Airspawn, but this is Airspawn mixed with, hold on, this is Airspawn, and I mixed in a little bit of black opal setting powder, and this is in medium. And then I got the Airspawn in translucent. It's upside down, and it looks like this the color it gives me. So I use a different sponge for my my powders, because this one is like more holy, and like if you look at the texture, it's more, I don't know. And I don't put very much powder because I don't want to be cakey. I also set under my cheeks for my contour. Moving on to my contour, I use the True Complexion Black Radiance color palette contour. I said color palette. I said color palette, contour palette, light to medium. And these are the colors. I usually use the one in the middle, and I use this brush. Once again, I think it's e.l.f. So like my whole everyday routine is Drugstore, even the brushes. And I do this. And I like push it in and then I blend it. Yeah. So after we get done contouring, you can do your nose a little bit, but I don't really like, I like my nose. But you can just take whatever is left on here and do a little contour. I like my nose though. So then we go in with this brush again, and it should have leftover from when we, you know, put the makeup. We're almost done, y'all. Like when I tell y'all my thing is simple, boo, it's simple. So then I go in the contour palette kit and I use this color right here. What is this? I know this is Milani. It's the baked bronzer in the color Soul or Soul, I don't know. And I just put it over my contour. Okay, y'all, my hard candy setting spray that I also got in the stocking stuffer aisle, and this is the long wear one, and I'll actually put on two different ones. You have to shake this one up because it got glitter in it. I put on the long wearing one first. No, I'm lying. I put the glitter one on first. The glow one first. Like set your face, the less you will experience cake face. Okay, who wants to walk around here with cake face? But y'all, this is my everyday makeup tutorial. Not really a tutorial, but this is my everyday makeup. Like I do this every day before I go to work. I wake up at 6 and do my makeup every morning because I love to, and this is how I do it. And I would show y'all how to put on eyelashes, but I already had some on. But if your eyelashes is like, you know, looking crusty, just take some eyeliner and just line your lashes. And boom, you back to normal. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed so y'all can see how it really look when you like done up, baby. Done up, looking fine, hair on fleek. Because my edges is on weak and my hair on weak. Everything is just not good right now. This is what happens when you get drunk and you just wake up. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. This is literally something like, this is something chill, you know, to wear. yeah, this is something I would just throw on and go to the grocery store or something. This is my look that I literally do this look every day, y'all. I do this look every day. If I go out, I do this look. If I go to the bathroom, I do this look. If I go to a friend's house, I do this look. This is my everyday look, y'all.